Hi, I'm Tommy Carroll. This is Mountain Rain Forge, and here at the Blade Show 2022. Just been smithing for 14 years, and I like to incorporate kind of this blacksmith rustic style with the elegance in the blade. I do anything from this is a rose right up here. So actually, the inner petals of this rose are the same billet all the way through the blade, and then it's a 1095 high carbon steel blade, and then the outer petals kind of give it that cup shape so that it completes the rose shape. And then right here you can see the leaves and the guard. And this piece is actually lightly inspired by the Nazgul Lord of the Rings sword. We got the display stand, yep. Kind of like vines coming up, the rose bush holding the sword in place. I have a set over here, sword and dagger set. Similar theme going on. Bigger rose bush kind of holding these swords up. They both have flowers on them. Roses at the top. Again, 1095 high carbon steel blades. This one is one of my favorites. This is I call the engagement sword. I proposed to my fiance with this sword. I carved the handle. It's elk leg bone here. Some stabilized burl. 5160 blade, and then I actually made the engagement ring right here in the pommel. And this is all hand carved, Swiss topaz set in the sky here in the scenery. It's a elk leg bone, yeah. Thank you. Yeah, I do a little bit of jewelry here. Here's a tiny little dragon on a little bracelet. Little cuff bracelet there. And then I like to make these tiny little kind of everyday kitchen utility knives, camping knives out of railroad spikes, but from a mining track. So you can actually see how small they are compared to a regular railroad spike. And this is kind of what this turns into, this knife here. Almost all done on the forge in a coal forge. The only part is I do a high polish on the edge there. Thank you.
Okay, Tommy, appreciate it.
Yeah, thanks for stopping by. Thank you.